This is why she doesn't initiate sex more. This is the YBAngry channel. My name is Rod Jeter, and here we go.
I wrote that I like him to initiate sex.
Okay. And tell him how relevant it is.
I put a 10.
So what you're saying to me is you like for me to initiate. Is that right?
Yes.
Is that detail true or not true? I got to give what
Yes.
I guess it's true because that's the way she feels.
Exactly. How relevant is that to you? Step 7.
To me, I guess it could be a 10. I mean, not as a priority, but it's relevant. So you waiting for me to initiate puts the pressure back on me to be the aggressor.
So what you're saying to me is that you being the aggressor is too much pressure.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. I do like for you to initiate.
That's fine,
More.
but I can't always be the one that initiates.
Right.
Because if I'm in the mood and you're not in the mood, and I initiate and you're not welcome, it's like...
I understand that.
I feel better knowing you want me to lead, but I can't always. It's a turn off to only be the one initiating.
I feel better because I know your feelings better now about the situation.
Was there progress with this detail?
Mm-hmm.
I say yes.
Okay.
That's for me, right?
It's both of you guys. But
Okay.
Yes, yeah. And now, was there enough progress to win the game?
Yes.
All right. So that was 33 minutes that you guys settled this. And how long has this been an issue, Rick?
A long time with me. I mean,
Right. How long do you think?
probably years.
Not our whole marriage.
No. It's like it's changed. What, 15 years ago?
Well, we had a lot of problems.
Yeah, and then when our oldest passed away, it was more stress on
We
everything.
went through a lot of stuff.
So what do you think about the game?
I think it's a good game. I think it's helpful.
So it's been an issue for 15 years. What about the game do you think helped you resolve it in 30 minutes?
Because it opens the dialogue, basically.
Now,
I guess recognizing his feelings by talking that out.
okay. Now, Rick, you said open the dialogue. You guys never talk about it before?
Mm-mm.
You never talked about it before?
I mean, I've said, why
Not
can't
really.
you? No, I mean, why can't you initiate more? But it's like you either do or you don't. If I'm making her initiate, then it's like, then what's the whole purpose?
Okay.
We never talked about it like that.
No, not in depth.
I think it's a good game. Sometimes it's hard to write down things, personal stuff.
Yeah, I think if you're doing it without all this, you can really deep dive into more stuff.
I believe he is going to get what he wants. Look for next week's episode. He's a grown man. Does he play video games too much? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I've got work to do. My name is Rod Jeter. Until next week, why be angry? Just play.